homies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I make my blueberry mint iced tea. Let's go.
So first off, you will need fresh mint. I got mine from my supermarket, and I'm going to be using frozen blueberries. Stop and Shop. And you want to take your mint and you want to submerge it into water. You want to make sure that you wash your leaves thoroughly to get the sand and dirt out. I think the best way to do this is on the running water. Once you're done, you want to pick your leaves off. I had ended up with about a cup, and you're going to put it into your French press. Now if you don't have a French press, that's okay. You could just use a saucepan or a small pot. Now you're going to pour boiling water and fill it all the way up, and then put a cover and let it steep. If you're using a pot, cover your pot. We're gonna let this sit and brew for like 10 to 20 minutes, and then after that you will come back, press it down, and you're ready to put it in your jar. Use a milk jug or a mug or a simple container. Pour it out. That's once it's cooled as well. Then you're going to put it into your refrigerator and let it cool some more. Let it chill. While that's happening, we're going to work on our blueberries. So I'm using about a cup of blueberries here, and I'm just going to throw it into the pan, add a quarter cup of sugar, a tablespoon of lime juice, and let it bubble. Now this is not an exact recipe, it's just a guidance. Let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Then you allow that to cool, and you could put it into a jar. Now if you're going to make like a big jug for friends, you could just use it right away. I'm only going to make a cup, so that's why I just put the rest in a jar. Now make a simple syrup, and this is optional I think, because I don't use a lot of sweet. I could just use the blueberries and the mint and I'm good. So here I'm adding my blueberry syrup on the bottom. Yes, I think it's fancy that way. Then I'm gonna pour in my ice on top of the blueberries, just like so. Then you pour your mint brew over, and at this point is where you could just fill your cup up and stir it and you're done. But here, if you want the sweet, you can add the simple syrup. I don't use a lot of sweet. You stir that, and you're just gonna garnish with mint leaves and a slice of lime. I also did a squeeze of lime juice into my in there, but I couldn't find the clip. But that's it, and I'm telling you, it's so refreshing and so delicious for the summertime. Now also, I really like to drink tea. I'm a big tea drinker, and so I made a cup of hot mint tea, which is very simple. You just, while it's hot, you pour it into your cup or your mug. I like to add a little bit of ginger, just like so. Give it a stir, garnish again with mint leaves. I like to have my leaf floating around in there. Make sure it's clean, and you're good to go. You drink it up. Now guys, if you enjoyed this video, kindly share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!